Golden sands beneath my feet, where the sea and sky do meet, whispering tales of ancient grace, every breeze a warm embrace. Oh, Bahrain, you shine so bright, a pearl aglow in morning light. Your heart so wide, your king so wise, a beacon strong across the sea.